One thing about it is that I love a quick, like 10-minute face that I can do every morning. Whether it's for work or me just trying to get out the door really quickly, a quick natural face. So this morning we're going to be doing a face using Merit Beauty. I've used them before. I love their products. They are great, and they did send me a new product to try, which we're going to talk all about. So first thing first, what we're going to do is that we are going to go in with their serum. So this here is going to be the Merit Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. I have used this serum before and I was really excited when they sent me another one. Serum that we're going to go in with first, just a couple of pumps. And this serum is their Instant Glow Serum. It has 2% niacinamide for brightening. It has 4 types of hyaluronic acid. For dehydration, it's caffeine rich. For plumping, Japanese gold thread root for soothing and antioxidants. And it's pH balanced for a healthy skin barrier. You would apply this a few pumps in hand. So we're going to put a few pumps in hand, and you're gonna apply this onto a cleansed face, of course, before a moisturizer. What I love about this is that it is very hydrating. After we have the serum on, we already got a glow going. Okay, this is the Great Skin Priming Moisturizer. This has hyaluronic acid, pH balanced. It also has biometric emulsifier, oat extract and glycerin to help soothe skin, and then it has their Great Skin Complex that helps with the appearance of skin elasticity and firmness. Okay, so I'm going to take a few pumps of this, and I'm going to place it on back of hand so you guys can see. We're going to use 1 pump, just like that. And we're going to massage it into skin. Ooh, I love how it's definitely not oily. It's moisturizing, but it's like an in-between moisturizer. So this is very great too, even if you have oily skin, because you guys know I am oily skinned and I'm very like careful with type of moisturizers I use. There is no scent on this. It kind of smells like Play-Doh a little bit. But I'm gonna take a little bit more to put on my neck. But it's not like a disturbing Play-Doh scent. Like, it's like, I guess you could say kind of natural. This is what my face looks like with the serum and the moisturizer. It's very lightweight, it's not greasy on the face, and it gives you a nice little glow. Also, you can shop Merit by using my link in the bio, and I'll also leave it in the comment section pinned. So now we're going to start to create my face. So we're going to start to put down my foundation and powder and all that. So the next 2 products that I'm going to be using is going to be the Minimalist by Merit, as well as their brush. We're going to be using that to apply it. So I've used this stick before, and I actually really do love their Minimalist stick. It is just very lightweight on the face. It's not anything too heavy, and it gives you a great coverage. The shade that I get is in Sand. A little roll up like this, and pretty much I just focus on where I want to cover. Okay, so for example, like I have little darker spots on my cheeks, so I kind of just pinpoint where I want to cover those places and where I want to even out my skin tone. Okay, like around the eye, inner here, got a little redness around the cheek, so I'm just kind of pinpointing where I want it to go. And this is a cream formulation, so I do also very kind of mindful where I kind of put it, because you guys know I'm oily prone. So when it comes to cream formulas and things like that, sometimes you just got to be a little bit, you know, careful. This is their Minimalist brush, or their brush. I'm using that. I've already used it to test it out a little bit, but this is a brush that you would use to blend out the Minimalist stick. So I'm just going to go on one side and blend it out so you guys can see exactly how it works. I do kind of like tapping, sliding motions like this on the face, just so that I can maneuver the product as well as really set it into skin, okay? So that's what I do. Around the eye area, and then now I go towards the front of the face. Just make it sort of blend out what needs to be blended out. I have a lot of redness in my skin today. I don't know why. But my skin is not a happy camper today. So we're definitely going to be blending this out. This side versus this side. So the coverage is just very light, as you can see. So once I'm done with that, I just go in with the powder of choice of the day, and I'm just going to go ahead and use my Maybelline finishing powder. Now the thing about this too is that it's very lightweight. Even though it is a cream, it's not heavy at all on the face, and I like that. So this is my full face. This is like my 10-minute full face, and it's all done. It looks natural, and it's quick and easy for me to get out the door and do what I need to do. I definitely love the Merit products, especially trying out the Great Skin primer moisturizer. I will tell you, it's just very lightweight. I like the fact that it's clean, it's vegan, it's non-comedogenic. Like, they have really great ingredients, and they're a wholesome brand, and you guys know I'm all for more natural ingredients. And this sits well under my makeup. Look at that. Your skin's glowing, all of that. I will leave a link down below for you guys to go and check out.